Science 3. Reusing and recycling of paper, plastic, and glass wastes. Demonstrate reusing and recycling of paper, plastic, and glass wastes. One. What do you see in the picture? 2. What do you think is it made from? 3. Do you think it can be done at home? Water bottle planter. Look at each picture carefully. Then, arrange the picture to show the correct order of steps. What step comes first when using a plastic bottle? When do you cut the bottle? When should you add the soil and plant? Today's lesson is all about demonstrating how to reuse and recycle different types of waste. We often throw things away without thinking, but many items can be reused to help protect our environment. Recycling and reusing reduce waste, save energy, and keep our communities clean and healthy. Difference between reusing and recycling. Reusing means using something again without changing it. Example, write or draw on both sides. Recycling means turning old things into new things by changing them. Example, making paper fan or flowers. Similarities between reusing and recycling. Both help keep the earth clean by not throwing things away and making less trash. They both save materials because you don't need to make new things from scratch. What common reusable and recyclable wastes can we find at home? Paper, plastic bottle, NF glass bottle or common reusable and recyclable wastes can we find at home? How can you reuse or recycle these materials again? Paper, reuse. Write or draw on both sides. Write or draw on both sides. Making paper crafts like cards. Recycle. Making paper flowers or fans. Cut old paper to make collage. Plastics, reuse. Use plastic bottles for water again. Store things in plastic containers. Recycle. Decorate plastic bottles to make pencil holders. Cut and used plastic containers as pots both for flowers and vegetables. Bottles. Reuse. Use glass jars as food storage. Used bottles as vases. Refill glass bottles with water or condiments. Recycle. Use paint glass jars to make lanterns. Fill glass jars and bottles with sand or beads to make decorations. Why do you think it's important to recycle paper, plastic, and glass? Reusing and recycling paper, plastic, and glass helps keep our earth clean and safe. How does reusing and recycling help our environment and the animals that live in it? When we reuse and recycle, we make sure that trash doesn't get dumped in places where it can hurt animals and nature. Recycling also means we use fewer new materials, which helps protect trees and save resources.